Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome on your Android device. Ad blockers are great for blocking unwanted ads on websites, but sometimes they can interfere with the functionality of certain websites. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Chrome app on your Android device. Now, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the settings menu. Scroll down the settings menu and tap on the site settings. And scroll down the site settings menu and tap on ads. Finally, toggle up the switch next to block on sites that tend to show intrusive ads. This will disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome on your Android device. So that's how you can disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome on your Android device. Remember that ad blockers are great for blocking unwanted ads. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.